transmission do the Corey right. So we're gonna be leaving the car here at GAC One Stop. Got some island people in there, some Jamaicans taking care of my whip. Never been to them. Hopefully they know what they're doing. I'm kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but me and transmissions don't go well together, so it's what I gotta do, bro. I got class in like an hour. I don't even got time for this, bro. I'm gonna see you later. Oh, you my Uber, bro?
Y'all need a ride? Big ups.
What's good, y'all? What's going on? Back in the Civic, but still got some issues, man. We driving. As y'all can see, the car goes in gear and it drives, but I'm basically locked out of 2, 4, 6 in reverse. They're nowhere to be found. So the shop that I went to actually fixed the problem. They said that the pressure plate wasn't seated properly. I'm not sure how that happened. I don't even know if they opened up the transfer. I'm pretty sure they just with the shifter cable. I really don't know what happened, but when I got the car back, my shifter cables are messed up. I'm gonna have to end up replacing those. So I'm about to show y'all why I'm locked out of 2nd, 4th, 6th in reverse. This cable right here, the whole thing's literally unraveling. Like the stainless steel line is unraveling on the cable. I guess when the shop put it back, they didn't put it back correctly, feel me? So I realized that's why I was locked out of 2nd, 4th, 6th in reverse when I got it back from the shop. Car literally broke down around the corner from the shop. And then on top of that, on the way back home from the shop, I pressed the gas to accelerate the car a little bit. I finally get it to go in some type of gear to actually get the car home so I could just deal with it. Feel me? I found out the whole driver's side axle was fucked up. That was just something else to worry about that I had to change. I already changed it, the old one. I can hear the knuckles just not supposed to sound like that. Got a brand new one from AutoZone. Hopefully that shit ain't whack. I know it's not OEM, but it looks like it's actually made stronger. We'll see though. There's bad news, there's some good news. We have a new sponsorship from our boys over at Hybrid Racing, so they're actually gonna be sending us brand new performance shifter cables that are made specifically for the 2012 to 2015 SI. Really excited to be a part of the Hybrid Racing team. Can't wait to see how good their performance parts are. You always hear a lot of good things about Hybrid Racing in the Honda community, so I'm type excited to try all their products out, you feel me? It's gonna be a win-win situation. Right now I'm about to show you how it goes through the gears. The best way I could describe it is neutral is almost where 4th gear would be. 1st is all the way. It just feels so weird, bro. 2nd, I can't even get in the 2nd. It's all squishy. 3rd, I'm getting the 3rd. 4th, it don't go in. It sounds like it's going in. I promise it's not going in. And then 5th, no reverse. Locked out. Don't worry, guys. I know you want to see the car up and running, so do I, but just gotta take it a day at a time. I'm waiting for the shifter cables right now. David over at Hybrid Racing sent them over. They should be here tomorrow. Huge shout out to David. He really took the time and went back and forth with me. He took the time to take care of me. Told him I need the shifter cable. This is my daily, and he got on it immediately and sent them over. So huge shout out to him. Can't thank him enough for giving me the opportunity to even work with Hybrid Racing. You feel me? Like, that should be crazy to me still, so thank you. That should be our only problem now. She should be back on the road soon, and I have to rerun the boost lines. We're not hitting boost for the first 500 miles anyways. We have to break in the clutch, so we're not even worried about that. But yeah, it should be back on the road soon. Enjoy the video.
Top 10, we going viral. You heard? Top 10, that I alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside. Golden. Stop playing with them, Riot.
Bro, now you go on. Hey.
I'm getting there, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. Just take seat time, bro. That's it.
Bro, my first lap. That shit was funny as bro. I spun out like a million times. I'm still spinning out, but I'm getting the hang of it.
Take time, bro.
I just want to go full out drift car. Pull a turbo on this bitch.
Might as well, bro. Shit. I know you put mad ready to this shit, bro. Mad, bro.
That's why I was scared to do it.
Yeah, scared to break parts, bro. I would be too.
Because I had somebody else drive. He was like, bro, you gotta really drive this car aggressive, but I'm scared. I don't want to fuck up in the fucking car.
Yeah, I'm the same way, bro. I feel that. Amount of G's you get, bro. That shit is crazy though.
That's low boost.
Low
boost.
Low boost. I want to give Brando a chance to ride this shit too. Shit fun, bro. Crazy. Acting dumb, bro. Clean builds out here, bro. I think my phone in that bitch, bro. Yo, my phone down there, bro. Huh?
Tires like I expected.
That was no boost. I told you, man.
You popped a couple of them.
I drive the car better and they
How many pounds is supposed to be? 20 pounds. I mean, 20 pounds is still a lot of.
But that's that. Pit crew. Yo, pit crew. I got the worst pit crew out there.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
I need a pen.
Yo.
Someone get this man a ratchet, bro.
Corey. Wait, ain't your name Corey?
Yeah.
Why did you call me? Why you call me for?
I'm like, yo, what the f? bad luck, bro.
Bro, that was the best. That's the best entry I had. I seen it going. Best entry I had. I seen that shit going. The best entry.
Shoot. Right through it. They rent bikes out over there, bro. Still probably can't even see the purple on camera, bro. It's crazy, bro. Hard ass sunlight.
Stop playing with him, Ryan.
And that's a nice shirt, bro.
It is.
That shit fit nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Shit.
Big.
Yeah, yes, sir. Boy, been in the gym? Oh, shit. What you got going on with the G37, though?
Oh, man. Stance boy life. Can't lie. Once I hit the alignment, we'll be mobbing for real. Got some wheels in the works, too. You feel me? Follow me on IG. You know I got the wheels. I gotta make them fit. So we'll see how much camber I pull from that.
Shoot. What happened? It don't work? Yeah, the on button. There you go. So hurry up before they say some shit, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Get shit right. Come on. How much camber you run up front? Mr. Flip. Already? They got this shit on like a week ago. Right now, brand new, chill out.
Hey, bro, I won't sit in place.
Aggressive as f, bro.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to fashion and fashion.
My legs. My leg, yeah. Crazy.